Hello friend, welcome to my channel The Art Zone. Today I'm going to show you this flower pattern. It's quite simple. I hope you will like it. So let's start the video. First of all, we'll wrap our yarn 5 times on my finger. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then I'll insert my hook into this ring and take out this yarn. Now I'll make 18 single crochet into this ring. One, two, three, 16, 17 and this is my last single crochet, 18. After making this 18, we will join with a slip stitch into the first chain. With this pattern we will make a ring, then make 3 chains, 1, 2, 3 and make a double crochet into the same chain. Now we have 2 double crochet in one chain because we will count these 3 chain as a double crochet. Next chain we will make 2 double crochet together. One and 2. Next chain 2 double crochet. With the same pattern we will make just 2 double crochet into each chain. Next chain 2 double crochet. We'll just repeat this pattern and complete the round. This is my last chain, so I'll make 2 double crochet. Okay, after completing all the double crochet, we'll make a slip stitch into the third chain. Here is my 3 chain, 1, 2, 3 and make a slip stitch into the third chain and cut the yarn from here. Okay, you can see this. With this pattern we'll make 4 more petals like this. Okay, after making these petals, now we'll join them together with a yarn needle. Insert my hook into the chain and next we'll skip 7 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 and insert my needle into the 8th chain. Okay friend, you can see this, we have completed our flower pattern. I hope you will like it. We'll meet you soon with a new video. Till then, goodbye.